This is the second story about forgiveness this time. Many years ago I was teaching in Canada, in Toronto, and I had a student that was telling me the following story. She was severely sick in her something in her stomach or belly, and she went through 7 surgeries in the 80s. In time, to go through such a surgery, it's full anesthesia and a few days in the hospital, and she had 7 surgeries like that. Eventually they thought that she's okay. She was alone at home, and then she felt as her blood is running down through the veins and she's fainting. She fell down to the floor, face up. She felt that her life force is leaving her, and she started to see the movie of her life. This is, as some people are telling the story, I heard it directly from her. And she said that she sees the movies, that movie of her life, and she started to be, in a way, disgusted from certain situations that she went through. Those were situations with her mother-in-law, with her brother-in-law, sister-in-law, and so on, that many times in families there are such situations that are not nice, and in which she felt being hurt by them. And she said to herself, I'm not living like that this world, and she started to forgive them. She sees a situation in the movie that's running in front of her eyes, the movie of her own life. She sees a situation and she forgive. Another situation and she forgive, and so on. Every time she forgive. And in such moment that she felt that her life is ending, she was able truly to forgive from the bottom of her heart. It was real. At the end of the movie, after that she was forgiving all that events that she saw, then suddenly she started to get some energy again. She was able to get to the phone and to call for help. And after that she went through 7 more surgeries before that she was totally cured. She told me that moment that she was able to call for help after seeing that movie, she decided never again to come to the point in which she needed to forgive on a situation like that. She decided in advance, I'm not getting insulted from such situation, doesn't pay. The power of forgiveness, the moment that she forgave, truly forgave, she was forgiven. This is energy of life by forgiving others. So this is the type of work that's worthwhile for us to do, because each one of us has something in his heart against someone that hurt him, and we need truly to forgive, and especially to the close ones that hurt us, because the one that can hurt us the most are the ones that are close to us. So this is the power of forgiveness, and that the earlier that we forgive, the better that it is. Wishing you beautiful life. Enjoy it. Bye.